What are some really amazing animal facts? 1. Owls bob their heads up and down to help improve their depth perception. You can try this yourself, focus on an object and bob your head. While it doesn't work for us, you will look a bit silly. 2. Sperm whales in the Caribbean have regional accents. They use unique vocal patterns, much like dialects, which differ from those of other sperm whales around the world. 3. A specific species of carpenter ant has a shocking defense mechanism. When it realizes it's about to lose a fight with another insect, it latches onto the enemy and detonates itself. Special membranes along the ant's body trigger this explosion, and large glands in its head release a sticky, glue-like substance that often traps its opponent. 4. Caterpillars have over 200 muscles just in their heads. 5. In a fox couple, if the female fox, vixen, dies, the male fox will remain single for the rest of his life. However, if the male dies, the vixen will seek out another mate. 6. The nautilus has remained almost unchanged for around 400 million years. It evolved to its current form long before the first dinosaurs appeared, around 230 million years ago. If it isn't broken, why fix it? 7. Woodpeckers have incredibly long tongues that wrap around their skulls inside their heads. This helps cushion their brains when they're pecking on hard surfaces. 8. When a male octopus is ready to mate, he detaches his mating arm, the hectocotylus, and gives it to the female. This is a survival tactic, as the male is much smaller and at risk of being eaten by the female. Luckily, he can regrow the arm later. 9. The blobfish looks like a typical fish when it's deep underwater. But since it's adapted to the deep sea environment, its body decompresses into the squishy form we see in photos when it's brought to the surface. 10. Cats have ultraviolet, UV, vision, which allows them to see UV reactive materials in everyday objects. When they play with random paper, bags, spots on the wall, or even boxes, they may actually be interacting with UV reactive substances like certain glues. 11. Zebra stripes are as unique as human fingerprints, allowing individual zebras to recognize each other by their stripe patterns. 12. Humans, over long distances, can outrun all other land animals due to our endurance and efficient cooling mechanisms, like sweating.